Hey everyone, welcome to another D1 support video. In this episode, we're taking you through how to pair the new RC controller with the Air 2S. Alright, I've now got the DJI RC in front of me, so this is not the Pro version, just the standard version. Make sure you've got it connected to Wi-Fi so you can detect any firmware updates. This one says that there's a new firmware update available. If there's no pop-up, you can simply hit Profile, go to Settings, and then go to Firmware Update. Check for firmware updates and it'll let you know whether there is one. Here it says there is, so let's hit Update, and perfect. Now we just have to hit Download and it'll start to download the firmware update and also install it. There are two methods to update your Air 2S. The first method is through the RC N1 controller through the Fly application. The second method is through Assistant 2 through the Mac or Windows version. This is for if you don't have the RC N1. Plug your drone into your computer and begin the firmware update. On the DJI RC, hit Connection Guide. Swipe across until you find your model. Follow the prompts and connect to your aircraft. Don't forget to check out our D1 Lab accessories for the RC controller. We've got the landing brackets, controller and screen protector all available on our website.